Glow. Glow. Come on, dude. Come on. Get off the phone charger. This is not your toy. This is my phone. Get your claw out of the charger. Ma'am. Let it go. This is why you was standing here in the shadows. You was hoping I wasn't going to see this. Listen. Thank you. You're acting real crazy. Everything that's long and thin does not mean it's a toy for you. Why you look like you're trying to stand on pawness? You trying to blink at me? Now you're trying to look around and act like you don't know what's going on. No, don't come back over here and try to plot revenge on this charger. Let go of the charger. I can see you. I can see you. I can still see you. I'm looking right at you. The charger isn't yours. Thank you.